Hello students, how are you all doing? Hope that you must be fit and well. Today we are doing a sum from JEE Mains 2016. The sum reads like this: a value of theta for which 2 plus 3i sin theta upon 1 minus 2i sin theta is purely imaginary is. The given options are A pi by 3, B pi by 6, C sine inverse root 3 by 4 and D sine inverse 1 by root 3. Out of these four given options, only one is the correct answer. So we have to find that correct answer from the given options. Okay. Now here first understand the question. Here it is being told to us that theta. Okay. We have to find the value of theta for which this complex number is purely imaginary. That means the real part of this complex number is equals to 0, and so we will equate the real part of this complex number to 0, and from there we will get the value of theta, and then we will check the from the given option which is tallying with the given option. Okay, so now we are starting the sum. Let this complex number is represented by z. Okay, so z is equals to 2 plus 3i sin theta divided by 1 minus 2i sin theta. So now multiply with the conjugate of the denominator in the numerator and denominator. So this denominator will change to a what? A real number, means pure real number it will change to. That means it will change to a pure real number. Okay. So here we multiply with the numerator and denominator the conjugate of the denominator. So this will become 1 plus 2i sin theta divided by here 1 plus 2i sin theta. Okay, numerator and denominator I have multiplied with the conjugate of the denominator. Okay, so z will become what? Now multiply 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2i sin theta. It is equals to 4i sin theta, and 3i sin theta into 1 is 3i sin theta, and then 3i sin theta into 2i sin theta. Plus into plus is plus, 3 2 just 6, I squared sin theta into sin theta is sin squared theta whole divided by here a minus b into a plus b formula we will use. It will become a squared minus b squared, that is 1 squared minus 2i sin theta whole squared. Okay, now see here, what we know, I is what? I value is equals to square root of minus 1. Okay, so I squared will be minus 1. So here substitute for I squared value minus 1. Okay, so z will become 2 plus 4 plus 4i sin theta plus 3i sin theta is 7i sin theta. Okay, and this plus 6 I squared value is minus 1. So for I squared I am putting minus 1 into sin squared theta whole divided by this become 1 squared is 1. Okay, and minus 2 squared is 4, and I squared value is minus 1 into sin squared theta. So now simplify it. So this become z become 2, okay, plus 7, okay, plus 7, okay, I sine theta, and plus into minus is minus 6 sine squared theta divided by what? Here 1 minus into minus become plus 4 sine squared theta. Okay. Now write this separate, the real part and imaginary part separately. Okay. And then we will equate the real part to 0, because it is told to us that the given complex number is purely imaginary. Okay, so the real part will be 0. So this z become equals to 2. Okay, real part is 2 and this. Okay, so 2 minus 6 sine squared theta divided by 1 plus 4 sine squared theta. Okay, and the imaginary part is this. So that is 7i sine theta divided by 1 plus 4 sine squared theta. Okay, now it is being told to us that this complex number is purely imaginary in the question. Okay, so the real part will be 0. So this is the real part. Okay, so its value will be 0. So therefore 2 minus 6 sine squared theta divided by 1 plus 4 sine squared theta value will be 0. Now any fraction value is 0, the numerator should be 0. Okay, so this, the numerator we will equate to 0. So this will become 2 minus 6 sine squared theta is equals to 0. Okay, now from here we get minus 6 sine squared theta is equals to plus 2. I am carrying that side, it will be minus 2. So minus and minus cut from both the sides. So 6 sine squared theta value is 2. So from here we are getting sine squared theta is equals to 2 divided by 6. So 2 divided by 6 is 1 by 3. So the sine theta value become plus minus square root of 1 by 3, which is plus minus square root of 1 is 1 and square root of root 3 is 3. So we are getting the two values of sine theta. Okay, so what are the values of sine theta we are getting? So we are getting the values of sine theta as, okay, so this is sine theta become equals to either plus 1 by root 3 or sine theta value is minus 1 by root 3. So theta will become what? It will become sine inverse 1 by root 3 from here. And from here the theta value will become sine inverse minus 1 by root 3. So these are the two values of theta we are getting. Now check from the given options. So here D is telling that the theta is sine inverse 1 by root 3, which is here we are getting this value. So D is the correct option. So the answer is D. Okay. So I hope that you must have understood the sum very clearly. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Okay. Stay fine. Thank you.